Welcome back. So in this video, you'll learn how to change the default messaging app on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open the Settings app. In Settings, you then want to scroll and select the option Apps. Under Apps, you want to tap on Choose Default Apps. And then from here, you can see different categories that are available for you. So you have Browser app, Digital Assistant, Home app, Phone app, and SMS app. So to change your default messaging app, tap on SMS. And then from here, you can see the different messaging apps you have currently installed on your phone. So as you can see, I have Google Messages and the Samsung Messages app. If I want to switch to the default app, I can simply select my choice. So if I want to go to Samsung Messages, I will select it like that. And then that will be now my new default messaging app. So any messages that I receive will now be routed to this specific app. If I want to switch back to Google Messages, I can just tap on it and the changes will be applied. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.